Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a very simple soft yellow look that I've been trying to recreate for a while, but I haven't had like a true yellow eyeshadow. So this is what I came up with today. I really do like it, and if you guys want to see how I created this look, keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm starting out with the face first, and for foundation I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Foundation. This has been one of my favorite foundations. I really love how it looks on the skin. It's 100% matte, but it's not drying. And I have normal to dry skin, leaning more towards the dry side of things, but I do moisturize my face like a lot. And right now I'm using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Moisturizer that has helped my skin a lot. So I already applied this, so right now I'm just going to go in with the Infallible from L'Oreal. I'm just going to apply it all over my face with my finger first. Now with a brush I'm just going to blend that everywhere. Actually, I don't really like this brush for foundation. I'm gonna use my beauty sponge from e.l.f. that I've been really loving lately. Yeah, this is so much better. And for concealer, I'm also going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. This is in the color 385 Amber. And this one is 108 is the color that I'm using. Conceal, don't feel the ugliness peeking through. I feel so weird I still feel weird being in front of a camera and just being here all by myself, not talking to anyone. Alright, now that we have that, I'm going to contour my face using a foundation. I'm going to be using a Milani foundation. I was using a darker color foundation to contour my face, but I don't have that anymore. So I'm going to be using this. This is the 09. And I'm just going to apply that right on my beauty sponge and go for it. Up here, like so, like so. Bring it down. Like so. And then to set the concealer, I'm going to very lightly, because this foundation is already very matte, I'm going to very lightly dust some translucent powder, and I'm using the Coty Air Spun. And with the same sponge, I'm just going to grab that like so, and then very quickly dust it off. And for bronzer, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. bronzer. This is Forever Sun-Kissed. It looks very light on the pan, but on the skin it looks very beautiful. It adds a very pretty color to the skin. And for blush, I'm using the Rimmel London Maxi Blush. This is in Sweet Cheeks. Very beautiful as well. Has like a, it's more like a peach color. Smile pretty. Now for the fun part, I'm going to be going in with the eyes. I already primed my eyelids with concealer, the same concealer that I used earlier. And now I'm going to be using the Profusion Festival palette. And I'm mostly going to be working with this row right here, all the yellows, and this one right here. So I want this to be like a true yellow, no gold, no orange. Well, a little bit of orange, but I want this to be like a very beautiful, just yellow. Kind of like my nails today. This is why my nails are yellow. Okay, so I'm going in with a flat brush like so, and I'm just gonna grab this one right here. This one looks very, very bright. And I did set my concealer on my lid because I want the color to really stand out. So I'm gonna grab a very generous amount and then apply it right on the lid. That is a pretty beautiful yellow. And with a different fluffy brush like so, I'm gonna go ahead and smoke or blend that out. Now I'm gonna grab this orange right here, and I'm gonna grab it with a different brush and apply it all over the crease, right on top of that yellow that I just added. And to add just a little bit of shimmer on the lid, I'm going to grab this one right here. And with my finger, I'm just going to add it right on this center. It's not going to be a lot, but it is going to show just a little bit. Like so. And then on the right on the corner, to add a little bit of highlight, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Color Tattoo. I don't think they make these anymore. This is in the, what is this called? What is the official name of this? It's like a loose pigment. Yeah, Pure Pigment. And this is in the color Pure Gold. Just Wild Gold is what it's called. So I'm just going to grab a little bit and pop it right on the inner corner. I might need to wet the brush just a little bit. For under the eye, for my lower lash, I'm gonna add this orange right here, just to connect this area. I'm gonna grab a different palette. This is the Morphe palette. I'm gonna grab this one right here just to make things a little bit darker on the outer corner. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit of that, and then on the back of my hand, as I always do, tap, 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 and then just add it right here. I feel like I need something more, and this is gonna add more color to the outer corner, like so. I'm also going to bring that down to the lower lash as well. I feel like this looks so much better than what I had earlier. It looks darker on the, it looks very smoky. I like it. Alright, so now for mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I haven't used this in a while. And I got, this is actually the waterproof. I don't like waterproof mascara because it takes an eternity for it to come off. But I'm going to use it anyway. And for eyeliner, I'm using a Sephora eyeliner. This is a dark brown. And I'm going to very quickly add it on my waterline. And for eyelashes, I'm going to be using the Kiss Ever Easy lashes that I really love because they're super long. Moving on with the lips, I'm going to be using the NYX London lip liner to line my lips, and I'm going to be using the Milani High Shine liquid lip color. This is in the color Tenderness, so I'm going to go ahead and add those. Alright, we're almost done. I'm just going to apply the e.l.f. setting spray all over my face, and I'll be right back with the finished look. Alright guys, I'm back with the finished look. The only thing I forgot to do was to add highlight, and I'm going to be using the Ofra highlighter. This is in the color Sea Shimmer. I've never used any of their highlighters, and I received this in my Ipsy bag for the month of September, and I have to say that it's so good. It does add a beautiful glow right there and right there. I really like this look. I think it turned out really great. I like that it's a true yellow. I really like this palette. I know it may seem that this is the only palette that I have because I've been using a lot of Profusion palettes, but they're really, really good. I do have other palettes, but I just love working with these palettes. They're really great, and the colors are amazing. The yellow looks exactly like I wanted it to turn out like. Does that even make sense? That doesn't make sense. Anyway, it's a true yellow, and that's exactly what I wanted. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.